How do I know if I have a good DUI defense? Well, DUI, unlike most areas of law, the entire interaction, the entire investigation performed by law enforcement should be captured on video. That means that there should be a body camera or a dash camera video of a driver's entire interaction with law enforcement. The viewer of that video gets to see how the driver looked, sounded, appeared, and functioned on the night or day of the incident and how they responded to law enforcement. Law enforcement often uses some creative writing and exaggerations in their police reports, but in a DUI case, we get to actually see what the suspect, the driver, said to law enforcement, what the driver sounded like, what the driver did on the field sobriety exercises, how he did or she did. And all of those things are obviously very important in determining whether or not a person has a strong DUI defense. Law enforcement will often exaggerate how a person has performed on things like the field sobriety exercises, things like the walk and turn, the one-leg stand, the finger to nose, or the Romberg alphabet. Oftentimes, when you compare the video to the police report, you'll notice that there are inconsistencies. You'll notice that an officer will exaggerate whether or not a person stepped off the line, or whether or not they touched heel to toe on the walk and turn, or how they held their leg in regards to the one-leg stand. That's why a DUI defense is crucial that those videos are obtained from law enforcement and reviewed. I personally always like to provide my clients with a copy of the videos so that they can review it for themselves. A lot of information can be gathered from that video, and my experience is that persons charged with DUI and law enforcement often do not remember exactly what happened in detail, whereas the video is the best evidence of the entire interaction. And that's why I always like to start with the police report, followed by a review of the videos, and then obviously a discussion with the client about what the strengths and weaknesses of the case are. So I think if the simple question is how do you determine if you have a strong DUI defense? You've got to start with the videos.